are a bunch of balloons. And we are going to be dropping those balloons down these stairs to make the most epic balloon waterfall.
What are you doing?
I don't know what he's doing, that's the question.
What are you doing, Bo?
Taking my order from the Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
I'm putting this cardboard box as the barrier to hold the balloons right here, and we're just gonna.
No, we're just gonna move it. You know.
Yeah, we're just gonna.
Okay, so let's start loading. It's hard.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of balloons.
Well, yeah, but it's satisfying, but still, we have a lot of balloons, and there's
Really?
still more back there. This is a white balloon, so.
Okay, back to the time lapse. And on to the last three. 1, 2, Pinky.
See, we have a ton of balloons in here.
This is like
I want
to
to jump
me.
in.
This-
I want to jump from there into.
Yo.
No! They'll all pop, and then we won't do this waterfall for you guys.
We let her rip in slow-mo.
Yeah. Let her rip it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you guys aren't already a Kid Legend subscriber, go click that subscribe button and notification bell on to all. Well, have anything to say?
It's his and I birthday party. Yeah.
That's why we have the balloons. But we are going. Our next videos are planning to be a ping pong battle.
It's on the ping pong table.
Ping pong table battle. And then shooting the balloons with modified Nerf gun darts. And we'll see you in the next video.